Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. I'm on my way to my very first skydive. I'm scared out of my wits, but I'm also super excited. It's going to be so much fun. It's going to be absolutely awesome. So, I'll see you in a few moments in the air. So, needless to say, I've been jump training for weeks, but I was really nervous as we arrived at the field and approached the main building. And when I saw how small the plane was and how young the pilot was. But thankfully, everyone was super professional and very much used to calming down the newbies like me. Here I am getting harnessed up and receiving the safety training from my instructor, Will. Will has done something like 8,500 parachute jumps, so I was pretty confident he knew what he was doing. Bye. And off we go to the plane. There were two other skydivers jammed into the little plane as well. Oh, there I am waving. Now these other guys were going to jump just ahead of us. Here we go. Let's see what happened.
Fantastic.
Are you nervous or scared? Excited?
I am scared and excited and nervous and thrilled.
Okay, cool. Because I'm scared. I thought I could do enough for both of us, but if you got it, we're good. All right.
Hi, Jewel. I love you very much.
See you soon. You know, when we get a little higher, it's a local call.
By the way, there's a link in the description below to SkyDive Gananoque. They're awesome guys.
That's SkyDiveGan.com.
2 minutes. That link is way down below.
Approximately 10,300 feet.
This is Will behind me. My life is in his lap.
All right, Don, here we are. Almost 11,000 feet above the surface of the earth, and we're about to jump into this glorious tin can. If that wasn't a reason to make you want to jump, I don't know what is.
I think I'm ready to jump.
So here we are above the majestic 1,000 islands. We're about to begin our rapid descent to the Gananoque Airport. Do you have any questions, concerns, comments? Hearing none. What's that?
Who's the greatest instructor ever?
Well, thank you, Don. I appreciate that. Cheers. We'll see you outside.
RTH, RTH. Was amazing. Woo!
You want to go left, pull left? One more.
Wow.
One more. I'm back up. Yes, so we need to go right.
Whoa. This is amazing.
It's amazing.
Oh yeah, you can hear them talking.
Yeah.
And you, sir, are safe on the ground. I'm on the ground. I did it. Yay! Thank you, Will. Whew, hang on.
So how was it?
Oh, it was amazing. Hello. It was amazing.
Oh, dear.
Scary as hell when you first jump out. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. So yeah, like and subscribe.
Oh my God.
Description. A link in the description below. Certificate of Awesomeness. Let the history books show that on this day, Joyce, DonDronesOn, did willingly throw themselves out of an airplane towards this planet we call Earth and then lived to tell the tale. Congratulations from all of us at SkyDiveGan. Yay! Awesome.